Hi, my name is Claudia, and today is February the 19th, 2020. I'm going to be doing an experiment for my microbiology class, and it's called Environmental Influences on Bacterial Growth, and it's the salt tolerant testing. So I have all my broths here. They're already labeled. So I have this one right here. It's labeled sodium chloride with S, and it have S. cerevisiae on here. And then this one is 7%. And then there is a 1%. And I went ahead and did the same thing on these one here. It's the same concentration of sodium chloride, 15, 7, and 1. And this one is for staph epididymitis. And then I have my two cultures here, the staph and also on the S. cerevisiae. This is a two-part experiment, and I'm going to be doing this first portion of it. Then I'm going to incubate them for 24 hours, and if I don't see any growth, then I'll do another 24. Okay. I'm going to grab my first one. It's labeled the sodium chloride 1%. And on this one, I'm going to be putting in here the S. cerevisiae. All right. So I'm going to be sterilizing this real quick. So I'm going to be taking 2 drops of the S. cerevisiae and placing it into 1, 2. Oh, that was a little more than 2. I'll recap this. And then I have my second one here. This is the 7%. Okay, so I think I have enough in here to do another 2 drops without 1, 2. I messed that up already. I don't know why I keep doing this. Okay. So now I have my 15%. Oh my gosh, I did it again. Oh, it's really hard to concentrate and remember all the steps. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to go on to my staph. And I have the one labeled 1% sodium chloride in the staff. I'll try to speed this video up because my last video was like almost 20 minutes. All right, I did not forget this time. Okay, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Now I have my 7% sodium chloride. Another 2 drops. All right.
Tell me when you're done.
Nikhil, I'm doing my video. I'm sorry. I'm doing my video for my class. I'll talk to you in a second, okay? Sorry about that. I have a sick kid home here. Okay, so I'm going to be putting these in my incubation place. I'm going to leave them there for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm going to check for turbidity. If there's no growth at all, then I'm going to incubate them for another 48 hours. If there is absolutely no growth, then they're negative. After the 48 hours, I'm going to come back. This is a 2-part experiment, and I'm going to be, let me make sure what I'm going to be doing. Then I'm going to get all 6 of these tubes back out. I will be putting in, I'm going to relabel. Let's see here. Let's see if I'm correct. Let's pause this. So actually this is, it is a 2-part experiment, but the other one is completely different. I'm going to be doing that one with 6 culture tubules with broth, and I'm going to be labeling those as epididymitis with a pH of 5, 7, and 9. And S. cerevisiae labeled the same way, 5, 7, and 9. And then I will be adding some hydrochloric acid, I think. Yeah, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide to those tubes that I have labeled with the pH. 1 drop, exactly 1 drop into the one that's 5. And I will do that for all of my broths. And then I will I believe I'm going to incubate them for 24 hours, and then I'll see what happened. think that's it. Thank you.